First off, let me show y'all this stunning look and say hello to Malachi. Oh my goodness. I can't even start it. I can't even do an intro without the cat. Today is a collab, and I'm doing it with my girl, Jus Londa. You know, she's been on the channel before. We've done a live before. I think we've done a collab before too, but I'm not sure.
Hey Divas and Divos, it's me, Jus Londa. I think I've done it again. It's not my channel. LuuLuu, thank you so much for collaborating with me during Black History Month using all Black owned products. I truly appreciate it, celebrating us. You know what I'm saying? It's really hard to find us supporting one another the way we are. So thanks again, and roll that beautiful Black theme footage.
Now I can't wait to see the companies that she's going to feature, because maybe I know she has one that I haven't seen that I don't have anything from, because I saw it on her IG. But anyway, check out Londa, go to her channel, watch her video also, and see the beautiful look she's done for this collab. So anyway, if you would like to see how I did this look of primarily Black owned makeup brands, go ahead and keep watching. Don't watch him. Ignore him. He's about to go. All right, so let's get started. So I'm going to be using the Pat McGrath, two Pat McGraths. I'm using the Midnight Sun right here. Now, of course, you know Miss Pat don't give her stuff names, so I'm just gonna point at it as I go along. So I'm using that to do that's my brow bone, trying to do a transition. Now, honestly, my plan was to do a totally different look, but yeah, this is the look I wound up with. So enjoy. So anyway, while I'm doing this, I think the next one I'm using is the Celestial Divinity. So yes, that's where I'm putting in for the crease. Now let's just talk, because I just finally got on the Pat McGrath train. I know a lot of y'all are on it. So what are your favorite Pat McGrath palettes? Go ahead and tell me in the comments. I would love to hear about them. But anyway, I gotta admit, you know, she does have good quality shadows. So all y'all who've been trying to get me to get it, I admit it, they're good. So I'm still just, you know, working, building up, blending, all that other good stuff. So what you been up to? What did you do this month in February? Did you do anything besides, you know, get stuck in snow and cold and everything? Because it's been wild weather here in the States. Yeah, so I'm just, you know, putting on this makeup, trying to look, you know, bomb, doing this B.O.M.B collab with Londa. So I'm just, so right now I am putting on, now I will say this, I admit Miss Pat makes some of the best shimmers and metallics. They are what everybody says they are. So I admit this. I admit it. And they do come on flawlessly and all that other good stuff. But I'm still not, you know, a super fan. But I will admit quality when I see quality. Ooh, that stuff is vibrant, ain't that? So what I did was I did a half cut crease, because that's my go-to. So I cleaned up my lid and then put all those, put all of I used the shimmers from Celestial Divinity and Midnight Sun. Now going forward, after I finish this and get the, you know, my eye look done, I don't have eyeliner. I didn't have time to go get Black owned eyeliner, and I don't have Black owned primer. So what are good ones for that? Because I mean, primer is primer. I got a whole basket full of primer. I just wasn't buying anymore. All right, so now we're going to be putting on my, complexion products. So I'm using Juvia's Place. So I got the concealer, which I'm putting on now. And I got to be honest, Juvia's, this stuff is very, very thick. Shut up, cat. Sorry, y'all. This stuff is super thick. This ain't my style. Hold on for a second. You know what? I'm about to kill this cat. I'll be right back. Okay, she shut up. All right, now I'm putting on the foundation. This is super heavy coverage, full coverage. No, I don't like it. I'm only wearing it for this. I probably will never use it again. I actually bought the Uomo foundation to try. Oh, but that mess was terrible. I have got to return it. It was terrible. It was just a mess. This color is a little off. The only thing is I wasn't able to, I didn't have time to try to match up, but it's a little light, I think. But anyway, I'm going now. My under eye powder I don't have now. The powder my setting powder is Beauty Bakery. I'm using the their flower, whatever it's called. Y'all know what it is. However, it is very light because the medium one is too dark. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Colored Rain. This is called the Shots. This is what I'm using for my for the blush. Because this, why do I look like that? Okay, it's gonna be better. All right, I swear. But anyway, that's the blush. It's a peach blush. Now I'm going to be using a highlighter by Colored Rain, and it is Luxurious Bling. I do have other brands that I like, but I don't know why I just chose these, like Ace Beauté. I like a few, brands. So I don't know. I should have pulled out some more. But anyway, that Luxurious Bling is hot. It's a really great highlighter if you're looking for one. So I'm, going back to use the Pat McGrath to do my under eye. Make it happen. Make it happen, girl. Did y'all watch that Versus with D'Angelo? What did y'all think about it? D'Angelo and that fur. Who is his stylist? Who let him come out in that fur? What was wrong with her? He looking like Yogi Bear. All right, next up we're gonna do lashes, and I got Colored Rain lashes. I was really Colored Raining it out. I was trying not to do that. Now my lipstick is Proper, which is Her Magic. And then I'm gonna use a gloss, the Juvia's Place Royalty Gloss that was part of the Fumi collab. So that's it. Let's see the look. Okay, so I think I'm looking cute. I really like it. I don't like my top though. I don't know. I'm not feeling my top today. But anyway, I really like the look. It came out good. Thank you again, Londa. I hope you all enjoyed this. Make sure you give it a like and go check out Londa. Y'all know the drill.